Want to create and sell a digital book directly from YouTube? If you've been searching for a simple, step-by-step way to turn your knowledge into income, I'm about to show you exactly how you can create, publish, and sell a digital book using Canva and YouTube. Did you know the global ebook market is expected to reach $23 billion by 2026? Digital products like ebooks have a 90% profit margin. Some YouTubers make over $10,000 per month selling digital products. And the best part, you don't need any experience, expensive software, or even a website. The first step is choosing a profitable topic. Start with what you know. If you have knowledge in fitness, finance, DIY motivation, or even social media tips, you can turn that into a book. The second step is designing it in Canva. Canva is a free, beginner-friendly tool where you can create professional ebooks in minutes with templates, fonts, and images. The third step is selling it from a YouTube video. Upload a short promo video just like this one. Add your purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Use YouTube cards and end screens to drive sales. But that's just the beginning. If you want a detailed step-by-step guide, our book, How to Create and Sell a Digital Book from Your YouTube Video, is packed with expert strategies that take you from idea to income fast. Inside the book, you'll discover secret techniques to price and position your book for maximum profit. You'll learn how to automate sales using platforms like Hostinger for passive income and advanced marketing hacks to sell more without ads. And there's so much more. If you want to start making money today, grab your copy now at vidclickacademy.com. The link is also in the description. Don't miss out. This guide is the shortcut you've been looking for. Start building your digital product empire today. Download the book now at vidclickacademy.com and take action. Like, comment, and subscribe for more digital business tips.